Something amazing is happening in the skies over Texas. Drones are now delivering right to your doorstep. Walmart and Zipline have teamed up to launch the fastest drone delivery service in the US, starting in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. Imagine needing medicine or a snack and having it flown to you in minutes. No car, no waiting. These electric drones are quiet, fast, and eco-friendly, carrying everything from groceries to over-the-counter meds. For busy families, the elderly, or anyone stuck at home, this is a game-changer. The launch in McKinney, Texas marks a major milestone showing that drone delivery is no longer science fiction. Instead of waiting days for a truck, thousands of families can now get what they need in under 30 minutes. This isn't just about convenience, it's about building stronger, more connected communities. Texas is leading the way into a future where innovation makes life easier for everyone. The first delivery in McKinney was a small box of children's craft supplies, but it marked a huge leap forward. As the drone launched from Walmart, families watched its journey on an app, excitement building as it neared their home. The drone hovered above the yard, releasing the package by parachute. No landing, no noise, just a gentle drop. This wasn't a test in an empty field. It was a real delivery to a real home in a busy neighborhood. The smooth, safe process reassured residents and showed the system's reliability. Imagine getting storm supplies or medicine delivered in minutes, even during bad weather. This first flight proved drone delivery works in everyday life, not just in theory. It's a source of pride for McKinney and a signal to the rest of the country. The age of on-demand, autonomous delivery has begun. Thousands more deliveries will follow, changing how we shop and live. Even the biggest changes start with a single small flight. Zipline's Zips are small, winged airplanes, not your typical quadcopters. With an 11-foot wingspan and speeds up to 70 mph, they're built for fast, efficient delivery. Launched by Catapult from Walmart, they follow pre-programmed routes high above the city. You order through an app, a Walmart employee packs your items, and the drone is airborne in minutes. The Zip never lands at your home. It hovers, then drops your package by parachute to a doormat-sized spot. After delivery, it returns to base and is caught by a special cable system. Human operators monitor every flight, but the drones fly themselves using advanced GPS and backup systems. If anything fails, there's a backup for every critical part. This blend of smart design, autonomy, and human oversight makes Zipline's system revolutionary. It's as easy as ordering a pizza, but powered by cutting-edge aviation. Drone delivery is seamless, safe, and incredibly fast. Safety is the top concern for drone delivery, and Zipline has built multiple layers of protection. Every drone has backup motors, computers, and batteries, plus a full aircraft parachute in case of emergency. The drones are designed to be nearly silent, gliding high above neighborhoods, quieter than rustling leaves. Packages are dropped by parachute from a safe height, so the drone never comes close to people or pets. Detailed maps and sensors ensure the drop zone is clear and accurate. Human operators monitor every flight and can intervene if needed. This careful approach builds trust and acceptance in the community. By combining advanced tech with human oversight, Zipline proves drone delivery can be safe, quiet, and neighborly. The result: fast service that respects your peace and privacy. Drone delivery is designed to fit seamlessly into daily life. For years, strict FAA rules kept drones from flying beyond the operator's sight, limiting delivery services. Zipline's global safety record helped convince the FAA to grant special approval for long-range autonomous flights. In 2022, Zipline received certification to fly beyond visual line of sight, unlocking large-scale drone delivery in the US. Local governments also play a key role. Zipline worked closely with McKinney officials, answering questions and demonstrating safety. City Council approval showed trust in the technology and commitment to innovation. This partnership between companies, federal regulators, and local leaders is a model for responsible tech adoption. The Texas launch proves that with collaboration and transparency, new technology can benefit everyone. As more companies prove their safety, expect drone delivery to expand to more cities nationwide. The rules are changing, and the sky is opening up. Zipline isn't alone. Wing, owned by Google's parent company, is also delivering by drone in Texas. Zipline uses fast, fixed-wing drones for long-range deliveries from central hubs like Walmart. Wing's hybrid drones take off vertically and lower packages on tethers, perfect for precise, short-range drops from local businesses. Zipline covers wide suburban areas. Wing excels at quick, neighborhood deliveries. Each approach has strengths. Zipline is like a regional network. Wing is a local courier. Both are pushing the industry forward, creating healthy competition and better service for customers. The Dallas-Fort Worth area is a proving ground for these new delivery models. There's no single best drone. Different needs call for different solutions. The market is big enough for both to thrive. This competition means faster innovation and more choices for everyone. The future of delivery is taking flight in Texas. Drone delivery is about more than convenience. It's transforming daily life. No more last-minute trips for milk or medicine. Just tap an app and get what you need in minutes. For people with mobility challenges, drones offer newfound independence and equal access to essentials. This technology creates jobs, from engineers and software developers to operators and packers. As the industry grows, so do career opportunities in logistics and tech. Drones are also good for the planet. Their electric produce zero emissions and help reduce traffic and pollution. Fewer trucks on the road means cleaner air and quieter neighborhoods. Drone delivery is a smarter, more sustainable way to build the cities of tomorrow. It's about making life easier, greener, and more inclusive. The sky's the limit for what drones can do. Texas is leading the way in drone delivery, thanks to a business-friendly climate and forward-thinking leaders. The Dallas-Fort Worth area is now a national hub for logistics and aviation innovation. Major companies bring investment, jobs, and new training programs to the region. This tech boom diversifies the economy and inspires the next generation of engineers and innovators. Residents get early access to cutting-edge services, improving quality of life, and sparking excitement. Texas is setting the blueprint for how other states can safely and effectively adopt drone delivery. Collaboration between companies, regulators, and cities is key to success. By taking bold steps, Texas is paving the way for a nationwide transformation. The future of delivery is being built right here. Texas is just the beginning. Drone delivery will soon be available to millions more across the country. As battery tech improves, drones will fly farther, reaching rural and remote areas. The range of products will expand, from hot meals to prescription meds and hardware supplies. A new instant economy is emerging, where wait times shrink to minutes. To manage thousands of drones, we'll need digital skyways and advanced traffic control systems. Regulators and companies are already building this invisible infrastructure. The journey from Texas's first flights to nationwide drone delivery will be fast and exciting. Soon the quiet hum of a drone will be a normal, welcome sound, bringing what you need when you need it straight from the sky.